Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Tonight we're going to be doing another one of my faux pillow swipes, and this is Lagoon for this little piggy, Southern Ocean Blue by Matisse, Quinag by Golden, Velvet by this little piggy. Velvet is a interference blue, Quinag is Quinacridone Nickel Azul Gold. This is Lamp Black by Amsterdam. It's going to be my faux pillow. This is Titanium White, Cell Activator. Honeycomb by this little piggy, Cell Activator. And Willy Wagtail Black is a bloom gel product, helps with the cell formations. PPG MULTI-PRO in eggshell is going down. This is my actual pillow pig. First thing going down is going to be Quinag. This is the main color I want to be able to pull up. Southern Ocean Blue. It's got a blue-green to it. It's really a very pretty color when it's pulled up. Next is Lagoon. This is a teal with a green undertow. Okay, this is the Honeycomb Cell Activator. And this is kind of an experiment. I wanted to see if I could pull up cells from underneath. Okay, this is my faux pillow. The intention of the faux pillow, I'll cover up the paint layer and get as much cover of that white area as I can with the intention of making it look like the pillow. The white you see there, make it look like it was the color of the pillow. The main reason for this is if it's done correctly, you get a little bit of the shine through of the white so that the colors underneath look back good. And you get some real nice depth when it's done correctly. I'm still working on this technique. Getting closer every day. Still not quite sure I'm there. Okay, just trying to get as much coverage as I can here of that white area to make that faux pillow effect really work. What I'm doing there is actually just trying to cover up some of the areas that are ragged. Okay, now it's time for the cell activators. I'm going to put the white down first, followed up by some bloom gel, and then some of the honeycomb on top of that. At least for this first swipe. Trying to get a nice, even swipe here. Watch the cell activator. The cells start forming almost immediately. I sped this up so you could really get a sense of how fast the cells actually develop. Okay, I loaded up my palette knife, and this time I put some of the velvet in there. So against the blue interference, actually it stands out. It has more definition. You can really see the blue in it. Okay, this is scooping and dragging. I'm just pulling up some of the cells that I already have and pulling them out to stretch them and control where they go. And as I see color that I want to bring out from the bottom, I'm gonna just dig low enough to get the color layer to pop through. Don't really want to make a strong appearance of the white. You see there was a little bit of the teal that was coming through, or the Southern Ocean Blue that was coming through. And did the same thing there. It's hard to see. There we go. Now this is the Southern Ocean Blue, and I just thought I'd play some games with it, give it a little bit of interest there. And at this point, I'm just playing with the paint, trying to see what's there and set myself up for the composition. Okay, time to spin. And I spun quite a bit with this one. This is all sped up about two times. Because I just really didn't want this to be a long video at all. But it did come together pretty quickly. And what I had there is I was off center to use centrifugal force to pull it off to an area that wasn't getting paint flow through. And I brought it closer to center and could continue to spin until I'm happy with what I'm seeing. I really don't want too much of my colors to go off the canvas. I really wanted to see coverage along the sides. So that's what I'm doing now. Centering a little better. I think it's about time for the flyover. Actually, got to tell you, this is one of my favorite pieces of recent past. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free, and it really does help. Hope you enjoyed tonight's video. Thanks for being here. Hope to see you next time. Bye now.